Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. How did we do with As Tears Go By? Alright, we did it this way and then we learned some bar chords. Alright, today we're going to do this song for the last time, but I'm going to show you some variations with the bar chords and some of the things that you can do, particularly if you're playing with another guitar player. Alright, I mean you could do them anyway, but let me show you how the effects work. Start off with, alright, with the bar chords. D, we know that is the first chord, we know we're going to E. Alright, now look at the position. Okay, and then we're G to A. Alright. Then it goes da 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 ba ba da. Okay, now here where we're going to the B minor. Okay, why again this position? Now here's a good example of why I like people learning bar chords but using this particular position. Remember from the C chord? Okay, so now if we're going into this part of the song, alright, D to B minor. Okay, so we're going da, 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 da. Okay, now you can do this. Okay, I smacked the note hard so you'd hear it. See what I did with my third finger? Getting a shot of that, and then I go. So now when you're playing, all right, now you go okay. I missed the part of the song that I'm in. Let me back up here. I did. Just something to fool with. All right, adds color. Okay, from again the G. Okay, just a little, those little things, not to use a corny phrase, but the little things mean a lot. Okay, again, now moving on, we have this. Now let's say we take this position, we break it down to just the 3 notes. Okay, now listen to what happens if we have a guitar player going take this position, E, D, da, that's the E chord, G, we're letting it ring, we're not strumming here, and the reason why we're not strumming is, try to picture this, somebody's doing this, or this, ba, da, da. So you experiment with it. All right, we know this D chord, we know this E chord, we know this G chord, we know this A chord. We can do this. It gives you all these different colors. Same thing here. Or, I'm sorry here. Take the same thing and go. So you hear that the A chord there, it's sort of went. Or now if you're playing along and somebody's doing this, and they're doing there, you have a choice. want to go there? Do you? So all I'm saying is that move the chords around the way you see fit. If you want to play the D here, for instance, and then the E, and then I went to the open. So what happens, you have this sort of note on the top, or the high note, coming out, giving you like this little thing in the background. This is the evening of the day. Okay, so again, this is something for you to experiment with. Move the chords around. All right, don't worry about tempo for now. Move the chords around. And another thing, when I said the short version like this, remember you have the short version with this. Okay, you also have the short version with this, which is there's a lot of color in here. All right, so see what you can come up with. Look forward to any questions that you may have about it. If there's something you're not sure of, comments below. All right, or as some people are doing, they're reaching me via my Facebook. You know, I prefer it being in the comments, but most importantly is to, you know, sort of get that answer out to you. All right, do you like it? Thumbs up. Please subscribe. Have a nice day and have fun with this. Okay.